So today we're in the wonderful Puerto Rico. Cheers, everybody.
What kind of cheers is that? Everybody else?
Bailey's.
Oh, right, no, it's Bailey's.
Yeah. Cheers. So we say. Cheers. Subscribe. Wow. Is that a quarry? Oof. I know it's been a little bit sporadic, but today what we're doing is we've hired a car and we've been told constantly online and that the best place you need to get into the Gran Canarian mountains. So we've decided to hire a car. It's cramped the 5 of us in. Right down there is Mas Palomas. That's where we've just come from. It's my first time driving in Europe as well, but that's where we've come from. We're going to a place called Roque Nublo, and the scenes there are supposed to be amazing. I'm actually going to fire up the drone a little bit as well, and yeah, we're just gonna take it in because you got to get up here. You got to come to these hills. So let's go. There's a space wagon. So we have now arrived at Roque Nublo. Just got myself a little ice cream sandwich for his trek that we're making now. Should be absolutely fine, and when we get up there the view should be spectacular. So one piece of advice I will give you already is if you are coming up here, no matter how beautiful the day is, because it's probably like 28, 29 degrees today, and but the chill up here is crazy. But once you get walking, it's cool, and then you come to the shaded foresty area, and I need to get back in the sun because it's cold, man, it's so cold. Here we are at the top. Oh my word. It's actually a little bit more of an involved climb than I thought. Not like Mamtor when we just got out the car park and just got straight to the top, but it's not a far climb at all. And this landscape is absolutely stunning. So yeah, I think it's time now to bring out the big guns.
Oh, there's clouds coming in. This is what I saw before.
Yes.
And it was just looking stunning.
What's your gimbal?
just had a wonderful time over here. I mean, look, you can just see it now. The colours are amazing, but the clouds are coming over and it's starting to rain, so we're going to start making our way down. Oh gosh, it's cold. Definitely. Yeah, I've probably got 2 top tips for you. The first one is, if you're planning on coming here on a drinking holiday and you want to come up here, do this on the first day, not after 8 days of alcohol abuse. And then the second tip is definitely bring a hoodie with you, because it gets chilly up here. And I know that once we get down the hill, it's going to be bright sunshine and we're going to be
tree cover.
yeah, and it's going to be lovely and warm back down there. But
Maybe a pair of goggles as well.
but yeah, it's absolutely incredible. This is like a must. If you're coming to Gran Canaria, you've got to come to Roque Nublo, definitely, 100%. Look at this now.
Yeah, getting spooky, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, getting spooky. But the cloud cover is just, yeah. So I think now, I mean, we might head back. Who knows? We feel like we've done enough. We'll see if we're going to head to the other place that's about 10 minutes from here. But with all this cloud cover and it's right down the hill now, I'm not sure whether we're going to want to or not, because my first time driving in Europe and coming up this hill, it's not treacherous, it's paved really well actually, but the amount of space, everything just feels extremely narrow, so we'll see how we get on. Hola. But yeah, let's try and get out of this fog, which is just absolutely caking these trees now. It's like it looks a bit like First Blood.
I said that earlier.
Yeah,
I said that. First Blood and Mount Chiliad vibes.
Mount Chiliad vibes.
No.
Food from here. Me, see? Good one. Pablo. San Marcos is very typical from the north of the island, and it's a kind of caramel but sweeter. It's more softly. For me, at the moment, the best one is this one. That one, what is saying there? Tiramisu. Tiramisu is the Italian one, okay. And this one, mousse de gofio, okay, gofio. Gofio is the most typical thing from Gran Canaria because it's what where our grandparents, we didn't have food before. They were working a lot and no food, no meat, no chicken, nothing at all. And this is like, do you know the bread? Which is coming, the bread is something like very small. This is mixed like this with milk. Yes. Vitamina, totally vitamina is our. For me, the best ones are these two. Okay, I'm going to put it here.
Thank you.
Or you can take whatever you would like to, and I'm going to bring down the spoons, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. That reminds me of the Lotus biscuit.
That's really nice.
That one.
That's nice.
Well, our Gran Canaria holiday has come to a close. It's been absolutely fantastic, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me where you want to go in Gran Canaria or places you would recommend for a second visit. This is technically my second visit, but my first one with a camera. So until next time, we'll see you later.